So I will show you how we put up this curtain rod, what it looked like after it. And for starters, this is just kind of everything that it comes with. Putting the actual rod together is pretty self-explanatory. It does come with a bracket, which we were hoping we didn't have to use, but we did end up using it after all. So first, you can just connect the end pieces here. Whenever you twist it, you will see it lengthen. So like you can determine how much of that you are going to need. As you can see, my husband was helping me with this, thankfully. So then when you put the actual rod together, there are these little holes that can help you shorten and lengthen it to whatever length you need it to be. You can just press a little silver button down, and then that's how you're going to make it longer or shorter. Please be better than us and actually measure your wall before you do this, because we actually just kind of went for it, which is why it took longer than necessary. But once we had it all put together, we went to put it up there, and then we saw that we needed to lengthen it, which we did. I'm going to zoom out a little bit so you can see the full curtain rod up here, and then I will zoom back in and go a little bit closer. So this is the finished result. I did have to put the phone down for a bit, but I think because these curtains are room darkening, they're a little bit too heavy for the rod. So we did end up having to still use the bracket that it came with, which we were hoping we didn't have to, but like I said, we did. Not the end of the world, but we actually don't even have it in here all the way properly. You can, we just didn't really care because you can't tell from this angle. Just be mindful of your wall with the drill. So we did accidentally put an extra hole here, which is again another reason why we didn't want to have to use this. But I do think that if you are using heavier curtains, or depending on how far out you're going to be extending the rod, then it might be a little bit too heavy for your curtains, and you might have to end up using the bracket. So just a heads up. But overall, it is a beautiful rod, very, very great quality, and we're happy with it.